Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm bludging, I'm sitting on a bucket doing this one. That's the way it goes, I think. What I was trying to do is save the bit because, like the crap, this is a real hard tile. Maybe I should be drilling through the tile, not at the, but it can stuff it up when I'm going through that sort of thing. Anyway, it's worked. It's worked. What do we got? What have we got? I would use a bigger screw though. When that happens, just get your Stanley knife and zap it off, like so, and your home and hose. But what I might do, oh, I've got a couple here. Yeah, I'll use a bigger screw because I reckon they're too small and shitty. No grunt. And hanging off a toilet roll holder. Won't last 5 minutes. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, nice. Pull this little trusty little sucker. Look at that. Okay. Cheap shit bloody things, eh? That's it. It could have gone that way, but then you would have had the screw up the top, and you always have the screw at the bottom. So that's it. Put on your toilet roll holder. What else do I have to do? I don't have to do nothing. I choose to do it. Hey, woo! How you doing? Straighten up the camera, Jesus. Okay, I need to put a bit of moulding up there. Okay, just at the top there. Just like that. Just like that. So I'll cut that to size, silicone it in, and then they want me to silicone around these there. Cool. Oh, you fool. See you soon.